Hey guys, got a 2022 plate Kia Niro here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic emergency brake. So on this one, I'm going to use the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel and then the screen on the dash in front of the steering wheel. Now first you want to press the menu button. Keep going until you get to settings. Then click on OK on driver assistance. Scroll down to forward safety, clicking OK. And then you have active assist, warning only and off. So this will brake for you as you get close to a car and you don't brake in time. So if you have assist active, then it will brake for you. If you have warning only, it will notify you with a sound, but it won't brake for you. Or you can have it turned off so it won't do anything for you.